Welcome to FamiLee Living. We are so excited to have you. We are a family of 5, Andrew, Bree, Alexis, Dean, and baby Zoe. In 2020, we began our journey of fixing up our home in Texas to sell it and move to Tennessee. There were a lot of sacrifices and late nights to get our house ready, but in March of 2021, we finally did it. We found our future homestead property in Crossville, Tennessee. With a whopping 38 acres, a pond with a creek, we plan on having chickens, sheep, cows, and so much more. We've never homesteaded before, so everything is going to be new to us, and we're kind of hoping to just figure it all out along the way. Everything that we do in our household is the type of content we're going to be bringing to you here on this platform. So anything from homesteading to DIY and even homeschooling your kids. We are so excited to have you along with us. We hope that you subscribe to our channel, and please feel free to interact with us. We want to hear from you. Thank you so much for stopping by.